Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in my last video, I explained the format of a formal letter. I also explained how to start writing a letter to editor. We also went through an example, a solved example. We also discussed some closing line of a letter to editor. Okay, so now let's start. And I also told you all the exercises you have to do, all the questions which have been discussed in the video you must do in your notebook. You can pause the video and write down the questions from the video. Okay, so now let us continue with the same chapter and now discuss the another type of formal letter which is for making a complaint. Okay, so let us continue. Formal letter making a complaint. So points to remember. What are the important points which we must remember while writing a letter for complaint? Okay, describe your problem and the outcome you want. So first of all you should describe your problem, okay, and outcome you want and result which you want. Second thing, include key details such as when you purchase the goods or services and when the problem occurred. So you must if you have purchased any product and you are facing a problem and you have to make complaint regarding that, so you must include key details, warranty period, and when you purchase the goods and services and what was the problem which was occurring. Okay, next is identify what action you have already taken to fix the problem and what you will do if you and the seller cannot resolve the problem. So must mention what steps you have taken already taken to solve the problem, then what happened and what you are going to do if the seller is unable to solve your problem. Okay, ask for a response within a reasonable time. So you must ask the seller to respond within a reasonable time. Attach a copy of any supporting relevant documentation such as receipt or invoice. So you must attach a copy of supporting relevant documents, your guarantee, warranty card, your bill, invoice. Okay, so you must attach these things with your letter. So types of complaint, what types of complaining letter we are going to cover in your class 10 syllabus. First one, incomplete or defective order. Okay, suppose you have ordered for something but you have received it incomplete or the items are defective. Abnormal delay and sending the consignment. So if you found any delay, okay, in sending the consignment, the goods arrival in a damaged condition. So these are some conditions. The goods are not what were ordered. Quantity of goods is not what was ordered. goods are delivered at a wrong place, work undertaken is done unsatisfactorily, misbehavior of staff or salesman, mistake by the account section in preparing the invoice, defective packing that might lead to damage of goods in transit, mistakes in all bills or reminders for payment after the bill has been paid, dispatching products of wrong quality, color, brand, pattern, and defective pieces of goods to authorities for inconvenience, poor maintenance, etc. Wrongdoing in public, rash driving of DTC drivers, any DTC, it is especially for Delhi, but rash driving for UP, RCTC, any bus driver, okay, any government bus driver, etc. okay. Problem of any stray animal on road. So these are some topics about which we should write a complaining letter to different authorities. Okay, so let us go through a letter of complaint about product service. Okay, so how you should write such letters. So format remains the same as we discussed when we were discussing a letter to editor. So format of all the formal letters remain the same. Okay, first you have to write your address, city, okay, in which your city, state, your pin code, that is also called zip code. Then after leaving a blank line, you have to write date. Okay, there again blank line, then designation of contact person, company name, address, city, state, zip code. Okay, so here the address of seller to whom you want to make a complaint. Okay, after that you have to write subject. While writing subject, be specific, use phrase. Okay, so your subject should be eye catching, it should be specific. Then sir, madam, then you have to put the date. On that date I bought, I leased, I rented, I had repaired. Okay, name of the product, okay, with the serial or model number or service performed at location, date, and other important details of transactions. Okay, in the first paragraph. Then in the second paragraph, unfortunately your product or service has not performed well, or the service was inadequate, because now state the problem. What is the problem you are facing? I am disappointed because now explain the problem. For example, the product does not work properly. Okay, the service was performed, the service was not performed correctly. Okay, I was billed the wrong amount. Okay, something was not disclosed clearly, was misrepresented, etc. So mention your problem, what type of problem you are facing with the product or services. Okay, then next paragraph, To resolve problem, I would appreciate your. Now state the specific action you want. Money back, charge, card credit, repair exchange, etc. Enclosed are copies of my records. So you have to enclose copy of your records. Okay. Include receipt, guarantee, warranties. Okay. Cancelled checks, contracts, model and serial numbers, and any other documents available with you. Then yours sincerely. After yours sincerely, you need not to put comma, so it is misprinting. Okay, so after yours sincerely, no comma. Okay, then your name, then enclosures, what you have enclosed with the letters. So warranty card, bill. Okay, so the documents which you have attached with your letter, you must mention. Okay, so as you have seen, it is a way of writing a letter of complaint about product or services. Okay, so all these points are very important. You must note them down in your notebook and must remember. Okay, so now let us go through a solved example, a sample letter. Last month you bought a 3G mobile phone with a year-long guarantee. Unfortunately, the set has developed a snag and is no longer working. Write a letter to the customer care manager of the manufacturer complaining against the defective set and asking for a replacement. Quote the cash memo number, model and set serial number and date of purchase. Invent other necessary details. You are Amit Chauhan, resident of 52 Rose Apartments, Rohini, Delhi 110085. So now let's start writing this complaining letter, in which you have bought a 3G mobile phone, but now it is not working properly. Okay, so first you have to write the sender's address given in the chapter. Okay, Rose Apartments, Rohini, Delhi. Then leave one blank line, then date. Okay, you can also write date in this format: 20 May 2020. Okay, then once again leave a blank line. Receiver's address, customer care manager, electronics, India, and one thing also is missing here. You must write the place. Okay, Nehru Place, Delhi. Okay, for example, Nehru Place, Delhi. Okay, you must write here, you must add here. Okay, then it would be a complete address. Then after leaving a blank line, subject defective 3G mobile. Sir, madam. Now in the first paragraph you have to give the detail of the product you have purchased. On February 5, 2018, I bought a Nokia 6610 mobile phone from your showroom, white, voucher number A1510. So students, here you have mentioned the date on which you have purchased the product, model number, company name. Okay, and you have also discussed the white voucher number, the cash memo number. Okay, So these details, your first paragraph of your letter must be carrying all these examples, must be having all these informations, sorry, not examples, must be having all these informations. You must include all these information in your first paragraph of such types of letter. Okay, so now let us go through the paragraph 2. Now you have to describe what type of problem you are facing. Unfortunately, the phone has not performed well because it is defective. So I am disappointed because the display screen of the set has crashed and your product has dozed off into a permanent switch off mode. Okay, so you have described what type of problem you are facing. The phone has not performed well because it is defective. So I am disappointed because the display screen of the set has been crashed and your product has dozed off and switched off, okay, into a permanent switch off mode. Okay, it has switched off permanently. Now next paragraph, to resolve the problem, I would appreciate if your company would pick up the set for free. So now solution which you want. Okay, so in the third paragraph you have to mention the solution which you have to want, which you want. Okay, I would appreciate if your company would pick up the set for free. Correct the defects if possible, or replace the set as per the terms of purchase. Enclosed herewith are the details of my cash memo, item code and warranty details. So you have mentioned all the things which you have enclosed, which you have attached with your letter. Okay, last paragraph, looking forward to an early redressal wait till 2 weeks before seeking help from a consumer protection agency. So now here you are mentioning that if they won't help you in the coming 2 weeks, so you are going to take help from consumer protection agency. Okay, please contact me at the above address. Okay, once again, yours sincerely, in such type of letters we use yours sincerely. Here comma is wrong. Okay, it is misprinting. Yours sincerely, Amit Chauhan. And enclosure, what you have enclosed with your letter you must mention under the column enclosure. Okay, enclosure, cash memo, whatever you have enclosing with your letter you must mention at the end. Okay students, so as you have seen, it is an example, solved example of complaining letter in which you have received 3G defective 3G mobile phone, and regarding the same you have made a complaint. Okay, so now some letters for practice. So in the same way you must pause the video and write down all the questions given for practice. They must be practiced. Okay, you had placed an online order for a pair of blue denim jeans with measures David Jeans Company, plot number 1134. Misk Industrial Park, Bandra, Mumbai, but have neither received the jeans nor any acknowledgement of the order. So write a letter of complaint to the customer care manager of the company complaining about the non-delivery of the jeans. Seek a refund of the money paid if the company is unable to deliver the order in 5 working days. Give necessary details of order, color, style and size of jeans. Item code number, price and proof of credit card payment you made for it. Okay, so you have to mention all these details in your letter. Second one, you are Miss Sheila, join head of department, English, Cambridge School, Pune. You had placed an order with National Electronics, Dadar, Mumbai, for recording equipment for the English lab, which the parcel was received. When the parcel was received, you observed that only 6 recorders were sent instead of 10, and 3 of them did not work. So write a letter of complaint for the same. Third one, you are Deepika of Dwarka, Delhi. You have bought Samsung washing machine from Mazars Electronics India, Lake Area, Dwarka. After installation, it worked well for 2 months, but suddenly the spin dry system of the machine stopped working properly. Write a letter to Electronics India giving them the guarantee card number and other details regarding your complaint, asking them to attend it or replace it. Next, due to poor maintenance of the existing system of water supply, the common people of your city have been hit hard. Write a letter to the municipal commissioner of your city for a permanent solution to this problem. You are Ashutosh Ashima, resident of 7/23 Kunal Apartments, Delhi. Fifth one, Rahul of Bareilly has purchased a frost-free Godrej refrigerator of 265 liters from Lifestyle, Civil Lines, Bareilly. After a month of purchase, the freezing section of the refrigerator has stopped functioning. Write a letter to the sales manager of the firm complaining about it and requesting for the piece to be replaced, since there is a 2-year warranty. Sixth one, write a letter to the Commissioner, Chennai Municipal Corporation, complaining about the poor sanitary conditions and mosquito menace in your locality. Next one, all these letters are very important, you must practice them. Okay, the more you practice, the more you will be able to write it properly in a without making any mistake regarding format or grammar. Seventh one, write a letter to the police commissioner traffic about the inetiquette parking facilities in the commercial street area of Bangalore, which is causing a lot of inconvenience due to the people. You may also offer your suggestions for solving it. You are Rakesh, Radhika, number 12, Jayanagar, Bangalore. Next, the other day you went to the district courts in your city to get a residence certificate made, but the staff of Suvidha Center handling the work not only misbehaved with you but also refused to accept your application while those of others were being entertained. Now write a letter to the sub-divisional magistrate of the areas sub-divisional magistrate of areas. Beta, it is once again it is spelling mistake, it is areas. Okay, once again it is typing mistake. Not areas, it should be area. Beta, sorry, it should be area. Okay, so sub-divisional magistrate of your area complaining against the staff of Suvidha Center for deficient service. Okay, so it's all about letter regarding making a complaint regarding product, complaining to municipal corporation, complaining to different authorities. So all these letters you must practice. So you simply you should pause the videos and write the questions in your notebook and practice them. In next class we will discuss letters for making an inquiry. So as of now we have discussed two types of letter under formal letter. First, letter to editor. Second, letters regarding making complaints. Okay, so you must go through the formats, write the examples mentioned in the video. Okay, and solve letters, and all these things which I have described in this letter, which I have included in this letter, are very helpful for you. Okay, I have mentioned each and every points of each types of letter. Okay, so you must follow the things which have been described in this letter. Okay, so thank you for watching.